Hey Capricorn, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Capricorn. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Capricorn. Guys, please do like and subscribe to this reading. I said reading. Please like and subscribe to this channel. These are your energies, Capricorn. I think a lot of you are wanting to concentrate on your work, and I think some of you also want to start a new business venture, like um, making your passion into your profession, like turning your passion into profession, Capricorn. If you guys are dealing with any legal issues, rest assured that it's going to go smooth and you will get closure, and the outcome or the judgment or the verdict will be in your favor. I feel most of you are going through some kind of mental turmoil, emotional turmoil, arguments with loved ones, or you feel as if you need to have your guard up all the time. I think because you're dealing with so much on the emotional front, you're trying to bury yourself in work. But rest assured that in the near future, after this judgment is done, after you get a closure, balance will be restored. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius person or a Libra person. The wait has been long. Oopsie. The card at the bottom of the deck is Six of Swords. Energy about moving on to better times is what I also saw when I said that right now you're going through some kind of mental issue, some turmoils. Your mental health is being affected by a lot of events that are taking place around you, and you're feeling on the edge. Yeah, but in the near future, balance will be restored. You will feel better, happier, more stable when it comes to emotions. Could be dealing with a Pisces individual, guys, or somebody kept secrets from you and those came to light, which led to this energy, this energy. You're paying attention to the things that you have control on, and you should be doing that if you aren't already, because like paying attention to money, finances, properties, material possessions is going to help you better than paying attention and trying to control things that are on the emotional front, or regarding a love situation or something, because right now that is beyond your control. So what you can do, and then let other things unfold, right? And when you divert your mind, you obviously become more positive. I feel somebody wants to offer you an apology and a new beginning at the same time, Capricorn. But I think you're too busy getting a hold of your financial stability. Yeah. Somebody wants you to stop isolating yourself and start looking at other aspects of life, rather than paying attention to just work or your financial front. They want Somebody wants you to tap into your emotional side and give love a chance, Capricorn, basically, because they're looking at you as a prospect. They feel you could be somebody they have always wished for. If this person hasn't already come in your life, they will be coming in your life, and you will know it the moment you see them. They want to manifest you, you want to manifest something more stable in your life. Whoever this person is going to be, your next partner, Capricorn, they could be either a Sagittarius or a Libra person. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is also here. A Taurus person, yes. Somebody who is spiritually inclined, somebody who can see beyond the naked eye, like somebody who's into metaphysics and, deeper understanding of life rather than just the superficiality. Yes, this person is going to be very stable. They won't be confused, and they won't let you be confused. Probably somebody who lives their life in boxes, and the boxes do not have a spillover effect into each other, right? Like the box which has their profession in it will not affect the one which has their family in it. Like they are present when they are present. Okay, let's see some oracle messages for you. These may or may not be directly related to the tarot. Let go. Okay. Teamwork. Work with others to make this situation come about. You can take these messages however they resonate with you. Feel free to relate them to the tarot as well. Music for manifesting. To manifest rapidly, think of your desire while you chant, hum, sing, or play music. Nothing will come of this situation. Have faith in your dreams, Capricorn. Okay, now let's see what the beautiful star seed has to say for you. Loyalty, safety, trust issues, guys. You need to let go of those. And whenever you do start afresh with somebody, let them know that those are your trigger points, those are your weak points. And there is nothing wrong in admitting your weakness, because that gives the other person a chance to help you overcome those. Okay. Um, Activation. I feel now is the time to really go forward and activate whatever plans you had on paper. Now is the time to execute them. You need to keep, you need to wear blinkers and just keep your eyes on the prize and work towards it, Capricorn. Rest, everything is taken care of. We'll be doing more readings, so we'll get better clarity on this. You could book a private reading with me on Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot Instagram if you want more clarity, specific only to your energies, your life, your questions. Yeah, all in all, this reading is beautiful, guys, and I hope it resonated with you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this reading. Thank you for watching. Bye.